How to buy QUARM token. So in today's video I will show you how to buy QUARM token, but before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token it's available on the screener. So as you can see, but first of all, as you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 90%. That's good. That's many investment in the safe place. So let's go and buy this token. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Solana network. What you need to do here, just open your Phantom wallet for that, because this is the best wallet for the Solana tokens. So click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course, and now click here, paste the token address. As you can see, now select the token here, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy QUARM token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.